Hiring Hoosiers is welcoming students back to school by focusing on educational opportunities that can lead to fulfilling careers around the country and in our state. RTV6's Alyssa Donovan takes us to the Pike Career and STEM Center, where students get a first-hand look at a career in nursing.
These students are learning nursing basics at Pike Career and STEM Center.
I've learned that proper hand washing is the most important thing, that if you don't do it, everything you do is contaminated and it can go terribly wrong.
Students in the class learn 72 skills outlined by the Indiana State Department of Health CNA curriculum.
Basic skills with activities of daily living up to vital signs, helping residents get dressed, helping to feed them, observing their skin.
Along with high school and college credits, they also earn a certification that allows them to get a job right when they graduate, of which there are plenty in this field.
And right now, there's a really big shortage in nursing. When school starts day one, there are people that are calling me, asking me how many students we have, because they are looking for CNAs all across the city. And not only do they get the CNA certification, they'll get a CPR certification also.
Working for you, Alyssa Donovan, RTV6.
The instructor says these students can get hired right out of school at jobs that pay anywhere really between $11 and $13 an hour. The program also lays the groundwork for anyone interested in continuing their nursing education. The students are getting creative with technology in the world of manufacturing. RTV6's Erin Lish has an inside look at how students at the J. Everett Light Career Center are preparing for a successful position after graduation.
Here in the workshop, students get to use all of these different machines, and they get to create products like this so they can stand out to employers in manufacturing and production.
Students at J. Everett Light Career Center set up and watch the CAD machine work its magic, creating a design.
Advanced manufacturing, it's actually the biggest impact on Indiana's economy.
Instructor Kyle Marshall of the Advanced Manufacturing Technology Program says there's plenty of openings in this industry.
We're sitting at around 90,000 unfilled positions in Indiana alone,
which is appealing to students.
At first, I wanted to do something with engineering, but last year we learned so much about manufacturing and logistics and how big it is in Indiana. I'm kind of leaning towards that.
From CNC routing, 3D printing, and laser cutting, kids are learning it all.
We're looking at students who can get onto the front lines where they're actually making and producing products, or in more of a supervisory level if they're going to extend their education.
They earn 15 college credit hours and 4 certifications over 2 years. And as they test out this line of work, they have the creative freedom in their design.
And whatever you design, basically, you can literally make come to life. And that's one of the aspects I really like about manufacturing engineering as a whole.
Working for you, Erin Lish, RTV6.
Hey, Erin, thank you so much. And our Hiring Hoosiers Classroom to Career initiative continues all week right here on RTV6 bright and early on Good Morning Indiana. Here's a preview of some of the stories and schools we will be featuring this week. Please be sure to join us all week on Good Morning Indiana from 4:30 to 7. And you can remember also to check out hiringhoosiers.com right now for a look at jobs and training opportunities available to people of all ages. It's right there, easy to use. And it's Tuesday, so it's time to, of course, for me to change my wardrobe, head over to the couch, and provide you all the jobs available right now in real time. So many job choices out there, but we have Anna Pentenberg with Spherion Staffing to put it all in perspective. You have the jobs of the week. Let's get to work right now.
All right, sounds good. We're going to get started with a distribution center lead. This person would oversee and coordinate all of the daily activities that happen in a warehouse. A high school diploma is required, but they do strongly prefer an associate's degree, and this starts anywhere between $50,000 to $60,000 depending on your experience.
Let's head to Hendricks County in Plainfield.
We, of course, always have our forklift operator positions open, but we have a lot of them right now. You must be able to operate a cherry picker or an order picker forklift, and you must at least have a high school diploma diploma or equivalent, and we have all shifts available.
For this next position, you're looking for a safety coordinator.
Yes, this is a function in a warehouse that is crucial because all of these employers want people to work safely. So must have knowledge of safety, OSHA, and equal employment and affirmative action. They do require stable work history. They're very stringent on that, and the salary is anywhere between $55,000 to $70,000.
Now let's head down to Johnson County in the city of Greenwood.
Yes, this is a new one for us. This is a Sunday through Tuesday shift, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. It's nice because you work 3 days, you're off 4 days. Pay is anywhere between $11 to $12.50 an hour, depending on the shift, and you'll just be helping pack and pick light items.
So you hire me, I show up on the job, but then on day 3, Anna, I decide I'm a no-show. What happens?
If you're a no-show, I mean, if there's a dire situation that you were a no-show for and you've got documentation to support it, we absolutely want to get you back to work, whether that's at that same client or somewhere else. If not, if you don't have any valid reason for it, I'm not going to go and put you on another assignment. So if you're going to leave a job, make sure you're given a proper notice, and then that way we can look at other options for you.
Anna, thanks so much. How do we reach you right now?
You can call or text us at our phone number at 317-870-5555, or you can check out our jobs posted at Spherion.com.
And of course, all of these job postings are online on our website, hiringhoosiers.com. And these are the jobs of the week.
Central Indiana GMC dealer.
Right now on RTV6 is Hiring Hoosiers. Labor Day weekend is fast approaching, and while that means food and family and fun, it could also mean job opportunities just for you. Indy Labor Fest Downtown is a free admission street festival happening this weekend in downtown Indianapolis. There'll be music, food, and a kids zone. Plus, you can learn more about career opportunities around Central Indiana. That's all happening from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. this Saturday on Georgia Street. And